because our dad caught it yesterday, and somehow it survived. So we're gonna let it go now because we think it might die.
Yeah, we're gonna figure it, and so we're gonna let it be free. Birds are supposed to be free in the wild, and it's a wild bird and stuff.
And it's a pigeon, if you're wondering.
Yeah.
Go. Make it fast. I'll just follow. I'll show the bird first.
Here's the bird in the corner.
How are you gonna let her go?
I don't know. We're just gonna like open the cage.
Yeah, open it.
Can you like help us?
Careful. Wait. Baka maipit siya. Just... Yeah, just like that. Yeah. Put it up.
Go! Go, hurry up!
Hurry up, birdie. You are now free.
Go inside, Maya.
Me?
Yeah, just pull her over. Don't drop it, ate, ah. Hold it tight. Sige, put it on the side. Sige. Sige.
Actually, there's no one waiting.
Yeah. Oh, wait, don't drop it yet, ate, ha? Get out na, Bea. Okay. Drop it slowly. Thank you, ate. I think it's sick. Doesn't want to fly. Don't kick it. You can hold it naman. Just wash your hand na lang. Yeah, hold it. Hold it. Both hands.
You hold it at that.
Sige na, hold it both hands. It's like holding cheddar. Sige na. Oh. Show it.
I had a dream that we went to every March fair and then we could buy whatever we want.
Oh, yeah, my birdie. Why?
You can go now.
Baka masugat ka niyan, Mia. Both hands, ate. Sige na, both hands na. Hindi yan manunuka. Oh, put it there. On this one.
Oh, its wings are going up.
There. Put it there.
Oh, baby, you can do it. I believe in you. If this still doesn't go, if the bird still doesn't go, let's show it to our mom. Bye-bye, birdie. Bye. Hurry up, pigeon. Oh.
Yeah, it's good from here now.
What, ate?
It's good from here now. I think, yeah, well, this is anticlimactic. I I expect signal release like, bye bye, you're free. This is
Hold it both hands kasi, Bea. Sige, both hands. Hindi, may sakit yan, feeling ko. Hold na nga, naka-ano na nga eh. Both hands kasi. Wash your hand, ate, ah. Sige. Just put it there on the floor na. What are you gonna do? Ha? Nakita niya na yan eh. Let's go na.
ang dumi mo na, Bea, oh.
Di, no, sa lapag lang, wag dyan. Wash your hand, ha? Say bye-bye to the Bernie.
Oy,
Bye.
move na.
Sige na, bye-bye.